Today, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to customize the AI editing suggestions in Cardboard. So ladies and gentlemen, we've got our project over here. What we want to do is on the right hand side, we're going to use natural language to make edits. Now, what this AI basically does is it looks at your project and it kind of understands what it is that you're trying to do, because on the very first step, our instruction was to create a marketing video, for example, for a trading signals offered on a Telegram channel. So now it knows what our goal is. It knows what we want. And as we went through this on the right hand side, you'll see that it asked us a few questions and it allowed us to make some choices. So now it kind of has an idea of who we are, what it is that we want, and what style we want for our video. Now, what we can do is we can use their suggestions that they are giving us. These are the AI suggestions that we're talking about. So here you can click on add color grading. Now, if you click on it, it doesn't just automatically add color grading. What it does is it adds in a prompt so that you can then customize the prompt. So here it says apply a cool cinematic color grade to make the images look more premium. You can also add to this. You can say whatever it is that you want over here. Add what it is that you'd like and go ahead and click on send. Now, let's say you don't want this. Let's say you want something else. Let's say export for Instagram Reel. Click on this. It says optimize the video for Instagram Reels format. Now, what it's going to do is it's going to optimize this video. It's going to change the resolution, the export quality. It's also going to change the aspect ratio so that it can come up onto an Instagram feed nicely. You can also go ahead and change whatever else it is that you'd like here simply by using the natural language prompts that it is giving you and then customizing it from there.